All right, today we're jumping into a tool designed to help your ideas stick around. And I mean, literally. This is all about the rectangular magnetic badge maker kit, and it's built to take your custom creations to a whole new level.
So, let me ask you something. Have you ever had this brilliant idea for a unique promo item or maybe a really personal gift, but when you go to make it, all you find are the same old, boring, generic options?
Yeah, that brings us to what we're going to call the standout challenge. We are just swimming in a sea of those standard round badges, right? So trying to make your brand, your event, or your gift feel genuinely special, well, that can be really tough.
And here's the heart of the issue. You've got the standard round badges we've all seen a million times. They're kind of limited on space, limited on impact. But then, on the other hand, you have custom magnetic rectangles. We're talking a totally unique shape, way more room for your design, and a completely different kind of usefulness.
So if that's the challenge, what's the solution? Well, it really comes down to having the right tool for the job. A tool that lets you transform your ideas into actual, physical, high-quality items that people are going to want to keep.
And here it is, the rectangular magnetic badge maker machine. Now this is not just some little craft gadget. This is a complete kit for creating professional-grade magnetic badges, and you can do it right from your own desk.
The whole promise here is that this machine is more than just a piece of hardware. It's, and I quote, a gateway to unparalleled creativity and professionalism. It's really all about giving you the power to make things that look totally pro, but still have your own unique personal touch.
So what really makes this thing a game changer? Let's break down 5 key features that really set it apart from the rest.
First up, versatility. You are not locked into one single size, which, is a huge limitation with a lot of other machines. This one actually gives you 2 different rectangular options to play with.
And this flexibility is a massive advantage. You can whip up smaller, sleeker magnets, think business card sized. Or you can go for a bigger, more impactful format for detailed artwork or messages that really pop. You're not stuck. Okay, the second key feature is what makes these things so darn useful, the magnetic back. This takes it way beyond a simple pin you just stick on a jacket. Your creations really become functional art. I mean, think about it. A magnet on a fridge or a locker or an office whiteboard, it gets seen every single day. It keeps your message or your brand right there, part of people's daily lives.
Now, a fantastic design can be totally wrecked by a sloppy cut. We've all been there. That's why this third feature is so important. The kit doesn't just hand you the press, it also includes a high-quality paper cutter.
This one little addition saves so much time and frustration. It makes sure every single badge has clean, professional edges. That means you're not wasting your designs or your materials on bad cuts. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in the final product.
Feature number 4 is all about convenience. There's nothing worse than getting a new tool, getting all excited, and then realizing you have to go out and buy a ton of other stuff just to use it. Well, this kit solves that problem. It comes with 100, that's right, 100 complete sets of components. That means right out of the box, you have everything you need to make 100 magnetic badges. You can literally open it up and start your first project in minutes.
And the fifth and final feature kind of ties it all together. The machine itself. It's built to be both tough and incredibly easy to figure out. So what you get is a solid, heavy-duty machine that's going to give you consistent results time and time again. And whether you're a total beginner or an experienced pro, the whole process is designed to be intuitive and, honestly, really satisfying.
So with all those features, what can you actually do with it? Well, this machine basically becomes your own personal creative toolkit, opening up a whole world of possibilities. You could be making awesome promotional items for a business, designing one-of-a-kind personalized gifts, creating cool souvenirs for an event, or even making visual aids for a classroom. It really becomes a new medium for your art.
And this all brings us to the final takeaway. When you get right down to it, this is about way more than just making badges. It's about having the power to bring your creative vision to life in a way that's real, tangible, and looks professional.
The source material really sums it up perfectly with this line. You're not just buying a tool, you're investing in endless possibilities. I love that. It totally reframes the idea from just a simple purchase to an investment in your own creativity.
Which really just leaves us with one final question. With a tool out there that can turn your ideas into durable, functional art, how will you magnetize your world? Thanks for tuning in.